The COVID-19 crisis has brought along multiple challenges. In many parts of the world, food insecurity has been a major problem. We get to this report from Australia's Tasmania, where the crisis has led to a resurgence in community and home vegetable gardens. Take a look.
Over the last 1 year, countries across the world have not only been fighting a deadly virus, they have also been dealing with the far-reaching fallout of the pandemic. Food insecurity has been one of the biggest challenges. But with these challenges also came opportunities. With 1 in 4 Australians in the state of Tasmania struggling to put food on the table, the pandemic led to a resurgence in community and home vegetable gardens. The popular pastime is now becoming more of a necessity.
The Tasmania project ran 2 surveys throughout COVID, and what we found is that Tasmanians are unfortunately experiencing some substantially higher food insecurity than pre-COVID. What COVID has shown us is that Tasmanians want more locally grown Tasmanian food.
In just 3 months, this community garden has taken off. Community gardener Jo Dean is trying to use the garden to teach others to create their own green space.
There's a whole range of garden beds and people have been growing in the ground, as well as these apple crates.
There's some tomato and there's some bean and there's cucumber.
The message is simple: cultivate the habit of community gardening and work together to grow a healthy population. Nearby, another community garden is thriving.
Where you are now, there's lots of little villages, lots of little units around us. They don't have the room for a garden.
It's basically here, it's free, and we love people to come harvest and enjoy eating the food and also sharing our knowledge about growing.
The small orchard was planted after the coronavirus struck. In April, the University of Tasmania found 1 in 4 Tasmanians were struggling to access healthy food. That has improved to around 1 in 5 as of now. Now more food is available at the supermarkets. But experts believe that longer-term solutions are needed. Susan West has developed a suburban food forest in her backyard to reduce what her family spends on fruits and vegetables. This is just one part of the story. Community groups are also using local ingredients to make cheap meals that are delivered to people's homes. In fact, the University of Tasmania is planning to create its own community garden. If approved, planter boxes filled with vegetables will be in place starting later this year.
We hope to use these to supplement the diets of our, hungry students as well as the local community.
Bureau Report, WION World is One.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.